Jaib cyn sgialau. Ta ma gael unis. Ta jach yn gael effa. Ta ma gael wael yr eist ymair ach lacwn o jai. Jach yn gael yr jair siacht yna. Awl tag a jach o gael yn y series. It's nice to go to Galway now and again. Jach mae'n sunny. I'm just in Galway here. Dangan Park. Mi har an Ulscoil. An Ulscoil hallucinations. We're about 20 minutes walk from the university. So Dangan. We've a Dangan the Holland there. It's Dangan. Sholas jazz. Awn the Corrib. The Awn na Corrib. The Corrib River. And you can see it there, I think. And so it's a lot Harkeen. Where's it? Yeah, it's a lot Harkeen. Thanks to be God. The weather is lovely. Agus near try get some fish on you nach sunny get a moon is there for wee. So the sunny get a voon in the sunny wants to mark his territory there now. To go low guide on. Show guide, mal guide on. Show is another word for a lot. Mal is another word for a lot. Galore is a lot. And mal. But at a Neelis Cimage guide. The doing the tunnels you get a chin of a savation. Can I cap us on it? Oh, no. Mary Mara. Show guy, lots of dogs. Castle low guys. Then he tell a chin. She has never done this right. The magic pile in the sire. Never landed a dine. Jack ni mai gyr, tydyn ni'n just rwyach, da ni mai gyr dyn ni sy'n sefysian, jack na prif oed achos dyn ni sy'n. Ach, sy'n yn bwysig bael, ni eich beth yw'r caw hwn eich as y tiwd. Dych chi'n sort, that's a gair Jack Russell. There's a small Jack Russell coming here. It's not eisiau gyr left side less sunny. I'm going to pause the video just a second. So, into now, it's in this, I'll take out your cart. That's Jess, it's a law Harkeen. That's an own the Corrib, that's the Corrib River. Agus also I will try the sunny, be sunny Carcalore. In Gairail Cordial, racing to Cordial. The other dog was friendly enough. Ach never gesat Jack Russell's that's a chatnana and Trotach agus chassis. Chassis is a word, good word, kind of mean dangerous or aggressive or chassis. Trotach is another word, kind of violent or kind of aggressive as well. So chassis is trotach. Being the Jack Russell's being chat communic being there trotach. Agus chassis. Ach ni ra Jack Russell's. I said you get. That's sunny Carcalore. Sunny is grand. A cowra being chasser the trotach. Hey, Mike and Jack Gairail. Oh, the Gair more meal chachin. Gan lead. Gan eel na lead. So Kulagi Vagahart. Lots of small little Kulagi flies around. Shinna road there's an I'm sure rubag. I just have rubag medif, it's a bit mild as mild with gargan gonown the chin. Being good or Kulagi Vagan. But you can master pause or shinmel, Gair more gan lead. But you can make lead a Kulagi and some bushula to child. Every dog should have a lead here. Just to prevent any fights or anything. Gair more machine. Especially big dogs like this dog here. Just come up pause in this reached. Agus the man ashinish. Agus wish I can't go I thought I can't make lead that eel. I think every dog that's out here in public. When you was I said, oh my little Johnny dog, my little terrier, my little oh he's an angel. He had which had gone so trudge. That's a fake cam Harley. I've seen it happen. Gair. Into the lead. There's Sunny. The Sunny Muckanta. That's a Muckanta. Sunny is gentle or he's steady. Ach again I'm kind never gesat, but at the same time even Sunny can kind of snap her. If he sees another dog, just to trudge Ní rovinnig a Harlan Chabas, it's not often that he's aggressive or ach, never gesat, but you never know. Ach, na chwilio nawn ruach there's ní some king Cushlan sin. I don't know what's the name of that castle or old building ach like which at the scaffold or the Jacob. they've scaffolding raised the gaiile le tíochtta mar se go trí bhéile teo an scaffold ardíach go béréchaí agus must cecha down te sin. I wonder what depth that is now. So you much a down go lower. Looks deep enough. So being thinking to Dina at the Gumra. Being Dina Gumra. Gumra means rowing. Egumra. That's the word we use here on the islands. Egumra. And I don't see any corach here, but I see little rowing boats. They might be raw, but I think there's people coming out. I think there's people rowing over there as well. So we'll better go walking with the chin in Tasum. Oh, so the podcast where you listen to the podcast. Ma vi var tuairimi agus le trachtainna agus mata multaíogaí chun much rudí a phlé. If you've listened to the podcast, myself and my wife, maybe you can leave comments in the comments, a comment in the comment section giving us anything you want us to talk about, any films or books or television shows or whatever, anything to discuss. Anything of interest, we're always looking for things to play agus brí. We're going to solar. Solar is the word we're using in the sea if we're looking or searching for solar. Solar rudí le play gúnaí. Mar bheith muid buíoch bhach sib trachtainna. Agus is muid bant táine of us the pathway le freisin. I hope you are enjoying the podcast as well. Oh, there's a helicopter chin. That's a helicopter flying over now. So basically go walking with chin mar it's a helicopter it's like an arm. It's like the army helicopter, I think. Sné mar go am héin agus sunny slán go fóil.